Hi everybody, this is Dahlia with Dalia's Dishes and Destinations, and this morning I couldn't sleep. So I woke up really super early, got all my ingredients ready, and I am about to make rice pudding. This Valencia rice is the rice that I use for my rice pudding. We can buy it in any Spanish grocery store and your regular traditional grocery stores. This is the way my mother-in-law taught me almost 40 years ago. I've been making it this way. There are tons of recipes, easy recipes, and all the ingredients might be different or some might be the same. Some Cubans put raisins in it, some do not. We in our family do not put raisins in our rice pudding, but my grandmother actually did. I stuck to my mother-in-law's recipe, and I'm going to show you that today. All my ingredients are here. Like always, at the end of my video, I will leave a description and all your ingredients, what you need, and how to make this easy, simple Cuban. I've already got my lemon in the fridge that I'm going to cut and put inside. It's not the whole lemon. All I'm using is a lemon peel. The rest of the ingredients are here, and it's that easy and simple to make. This is early on in my cooking. We cook this on a very medium, low heat and cook it until it starts to thicken. Remember, if you like my recipes and you want more, please like, subscribe, and share. And always remember, all the ingredients and description are at the bottom of our video. I've already removed my cinnamon sticks, my lemon, from my rice pudding. It's been cooking for almost an hour and a half because I doubled my recipe. The recipe that I give you at the end of the video would be a single batch. Early on, the milk mixture was very thin. As time goes by, the milk thickens. And this is what it should look like when your rice pudding is completed. This is a double batch. It's taking me a lot longer than a single batch, but I want it to look the same. Making a double batch gives me plenty to have for home and for the family and my neighbors. I love to share, and this is a delicious recipe for that. Hi everybody, this is Dahlia with Dahlia's Dishes and Destinations. Today we're on our little field trip, and we're taking you to our favorite places or our favorite bakeries in my hometown, Tampa, Florida. It's Michael's Bakery, and he's blowing it up. He's got wonderful desserts, wonderful pastries, awesome milkshakes. He's got lots of food for you to order ahead of time or for big gatherings, baby showers. But most of all, the milkshakes are number one in my book.
Por eso tiene que comprender que el ritmo nunca se para, se sigue hasta el amanecer. Ahora te invito a bailar, mami, que no hay más nada. Seguimos siempre gozando, vamos para allá. Anda, vamos a gozar, mamita. Eso es. Oye, mamita linda, te estoy invitando a mi fiesta.
Thank you for watching, and remember, it's all about the food.